Hello everyone, welcome to the learning field. So in this video, actually not a single video. So I am going to create a playlist and in which some of the videos will be included on what topic? On the topic on will introduce some institute for your PhD. So those who are interested to do a PhD and see some institutes, find some institute on Google, search some institutes on Google, but confused that what the institute we can choose for our research. And many of you also, I am sure that there are some institute in India which are a very high class institute, and you didn't listen the name, also the institute's name. तो ऐसा बहुत इंस्टीट्यूट्स है इंडिया में जिसका नाम अभी तक मैं गारंटी कर सकता हूँ आप नहीं सुने हो। तो ऐसा ही कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट्स का डिटेल्स शेयर करेंगे ये सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोस में। तो एक एक वीडियोस में हम लोग एक एक इंस्टीट्यूट का थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स डाल के शेयर करेंगे आपके पास, सो दैट in the upcoming days, in the upcoming months, you can apply for your PhD to a best institute. So this is the first video of the series. So I can assure you that you will get some very interesting information from this series of videos actually. So please make a comment so that we can continue the session or continue this playlist, or obviously आप मतलब जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स का नेम मैं शेयर करूंगा आप इनका नाम सुने या नहीं सुने वो प्लीज एक कमेंट करके बताइएगा, ठीक है, कि आप इंस्टीट्यूट का नेम सुने हो कि नहीं सुने। सो टुडे फर्स्ट वीडियो, and in today's video I will share you one most reputed institute for PhD. This is not only for PhD, this is also for any engineering, something engineering, and also for research, but we will dedicate the videos on the basis of research or PhD. So now first we will go to our Google Chrome. So I already searched here the homepage of the institute, and this is my channel. Those who are not subscribed my channel till now, so I'll request please subscribe my channel. You will get a very interesting video on higher mathematics and these types of informations. Okay, so first we will comes to Google. So this is our first video, and we will introduce in this video Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, IIST, which is deemed to be university under section 3 of UGC Act 1956. Now tell me in the comment section below, do you know this institute's name or not? So this is basically Autonomous Institute of Department of Space of Government of India. तो आप समझ सकते हो कि ये कितना लेवल का हाई लेवल इंस्टीट्यूट है और प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट है इन इंडिया, एंड दिस इज इसरो own institute, research institute, and also for engineering purpose also. So this is the homepage. You just go to your Google Chrome and search, type IIST, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. So now we will dedicate this video for higher actually education system. So now this is the homepage of IIST. So open यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे जो है इसरो का पूरा खुद का इंस्टीट्यूट है ये, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे इसरो का IIST का स्टैम्प लिखा हुआ है, and now if we give some actually details of this institute. So here the institute, about institute, you can read the about institute, but we are not going to that purpose because on that case video will be very long. Now we'll directly go to academics. Okay, so in academics you can go that undergraduate program, and in undergraduate program BTech, and dual degree. So BTech in E and C avionics. So this is a very high class engineering. You all know that aerospace engineering, avionics, these types of engineering. And since this is a institute of ISRO, so you can think that this institute will dedicate on the space research or anything like that. and study related to space. So now if you see the postgraduate, then here you can also see the academic section of postgraduate. Now we are specifically going to PhD section. So see what are included in PhD section. So this is the PhD section area. Before going to the in detail, we can just go one things in the departments. So see, here we have the departments: aerospace engineering, avionics, chemistry, earth science and space science, humanities and social science, mathematics and physics. So here you can do your research in mathematics and physics background also. So those who are from physics or chemistry background, you can go in this website and see here from detail. Now I am going to specifically for mathematics section. Okay. So if I click here, so here is the some details of Department of Mathematics at IIST, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. So here the research area, or there are some name of the professors is given to you, that what are the topics of research in that institute. That is a control theory and in application. Two professor, there are two professor on that topic. Non-linear dynamics and chaos, one professor in that topic. Differential geometry and information geometry, one professor on that topic. Partial differential equation, mathematical elasticity and homogenization, one professor in that field. Stochastic modeling and analysis, numerical analysis and partial differential equation, commutative algebra and affine algebraic geometry, then machine learning, then stochastic differential equation and stochastic analysis. So these are the topic that institutes offers to you from the Department of Mathematics to do your PhD. So if you are interested in this institute, then obviously you can see once of this at this actually website. Now we are going to academic section again, and we go to PhD. So now if we comes to this PhD section, there are different structure actually. So 2025 PhD admission regular, sponsored, anytime mode, timeline, financial assistance, fee structure. All information are provided. Okay. So now if we just comes to regular section of PhD admission 2025, then we can definitely get some details. Okay. So this is the section actually. So notification में जाते हैं देखो. So PhD admission July 2025 notification in English. So यहाँ पे जाते हैं देखो. So Department of Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology का जो ब्राउचर है PhD admission का for July 2025 सेशन एक्चुअली ये तो हो गया है, तो नेक्स्ट बार दिसंबर में आएगा, तो यू कैन अप्लाई एंड वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, विदाउट नेट जेआरएफ गेट you can also apply to this institute. This is the most important thing that you should know. Fine. So here the seven actually department: aerospace, avionics, chemistry, earth science and space science, humanities and social science, mathematics and physics. Okay. So here all the details are given. Now minimum qualification, and here we comes to application. So selection procedure. Okay. So here are the dates for the previous session. Now this selection procedure, if it comes to the selection procedure, then what are the selection procedure? The selection procedure is either through one direct interview. Direct interview means those who have already external fellowship, that is those who are JRF or any other fellowship, then they can give direct interview, or screening test of 1 hour duration, objective type question and interview plus interview. So criteria for direct interview, in the next line it is mentioned that the direct interview candidates with a valid fellowship, CSRF, GCGRF, LS, NBHM, JS rank and GATE score. So if you have any one of these, then you can apply and you definitely give direct interview if you are shortlisted. Okay. And there are you need 60% marks for this and 55% for the SC/ST and OBC. Now comes to the fellowship. So as same as JRF, so 37,000 per month. This is the junior research fellowship of all the cases, and senior research fellowship is 42,000. You can definitely avail the fellowship from the institute, obviously. Now these are the fee structure. Obviously you can see this fee structure also if you need. and application fee. Here all the details are mentioned in the website. So, and the research area are also mentioned in the topic, and also syllabuses for the screening test are also provided. If we click this link, suppose if we come to Department of Mathematics, yeah, so Department of Mathematics syllabuses for screening test, if we click here, see, this is the syllabuses for the mathematics. And so if we comes to just mathematical section, Department of Mathematics, so see, machine learning, what are the topics you have to give the test: linear algebra, matrices, probability, optimization technique, machine learning, and this. So these are the actually syllabuses that you want to read for giving their actually screening test and the interview. So this is one institute that I covered in this video. Okay, so there are series of videos will introduce this type of interesting institute. I think many of you are actually मतलब इसका नाम भी नहीं सुने हो. I can guarantee that many of you are there in the जो इस वीडियो को इन फ्यूचर देखेगा, तो उनमें से बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे जो इन इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम भी सुने नहीं होंगे. बट दिस इज ए प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट फ्रॉम इसरो का खुद का इंस्टीट्यूट है ये, एंड ये कहाँ पे, तिरुवनंतपुरम में, दैट इज इन केरला, I think. So this is the information of today's video. Now if we come to the website again, here notification, result, research area, all are given. So I just tell you or see this some of this instruction. So you can definitely visit the website once, definitely check the every information that you will need for yourself. Okay, so thank you. इस सीरीज का जो वीडियो ऐसा बनेगा, ठीक है, तो ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट का मैं खोज आप लोगों को दूंगा, जो आप लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे होंगे जो बिल्कुल नहीं सुने होंगे, ठीक है. सो कैसे लगा ये सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो और दिस वीडियो, डेफिनेटली कमेंट एंड प्लीज गिव a like to this video. And those who are not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe the channel to get these types of informative video for your higher education. Thank you.